Right, the drawers are done. Right, the drawers are here. Very smooth. Full extension. Right there. Everything seems working okay. So the face is redwood cedar. Okay, as you can see, this one right here, it's different because there is a plexiglass over here. Because I want to make this one a very special one. It's waterproof. Plexiglass with silicone on the side, so it's a plexiglass drawer, watertight, sealed. I will test it tomorrow, and then by the way, I'm gonna put a handle over here, custom handle. Client wants a custom made handle. Man, these things are wonderful.